Namaste students. Hope you all stay safe. Myself Saranya, I am your AVS teacher. So, we'll see the next lesson, that is mangoes round the year. Wow, Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. I have got bendi. So, the The Neetu, Aman, and Preeti are seeing their lunchbox, others' lunchbox, one by one. Like, oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. Don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here you take some behendi. So, how they can observe that the potatoes got spoiled? So, like that, we are going to see in this chapter lesson. How did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? The bad smell from the potato sabji gave the clue. Right. When we open our tiffin box, it smells bad means it gets spoiled. This is one type of clue for us. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Yes, I have seen foods that have gone spoiled. The spoiled food smells bad and shows unusual colors. So some of the food will give bad smell and some of the food will show us that appearance will be in different colors like green or some other colors it will be. So it is the clue to indicate that the food got spoiled. Preeti told me to not to eat the potato sabji. What would you have happened if she had eaten it? She may have fallen ill if she had eaten it. So if we have that spoiled food, once uh, we get ill, or otherwise we will not be we will get ill. So this one, write it in your classwork note. Look in your kitchen and write down names of the food items that can get spoiled in 2 or 3 days. Which food can spoil in 2 or 3 days? That is cooked food, milk, and bread. You can see if we keep up a bread like that, in 2 or 3 days it gets spoiled. Like that, cooked food and milk also. Next, can be kept for a week. Vegetables, fruits, and sweets. We can keep these three things for a week. It will not get spoiled. Would not spoil till 1 month. That is potato chips, baked cookies, and jams. So these things we can keep it as 1 month time. Will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? No, the list will change in different seasons. Food easily gets spoiled in summer than winter. So, if what does that means? If we keep our food in the fridge, it will take 1 or 2 days extra from that time. Like that, in summer times, it will get spoiled easily when compared to winter time. Winter time, it will be cool, right? So the food will be not spoiled. In rainy season, the excess moisture in the air hasten the percentage process of spoiling the food. So in the rainy season also, some percentage it will get spoiled. Some foods. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? We throw the spoiled food in the garbage bin. Usually we will do that if the food gets spoiled. But it is good means we should not waste them. So write these also in your classwork. Biji returned the bread. Aman Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Biji. She told at it and returned it immediately. Why she returned it immediately? We'll see. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Biji returned it. See the bread packet, why she returned? We can see some greenish fungus had came, right? So that Biji has returned. Biji may have found that the expiry date of the bread had lapsed. So how she knows that means she can see that expiry date. If it is expired, we can find it from that. Otherwise, we can see that bread. It will have some fungus. So she may have observed black velvety spots on the bread. So in your home also find this. If you keep the bread for a long time, it will be spoiled. You can see the difference. So write these questions in your classwork. Find out. Look carefully at two or three packets of food items. What can we know from what is written on the packet? The food packet can give following information: price, weight, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, and ingredients. So, in this, we have to see everything. These are the important things we have to notice in the packets. So, date of manufacturing and date of expiry. Whenever you go for a shop, you have to check these things. When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? I check for the dates of manufacturing and expiry and also check for price and weight. So we have to check these things compulsorily. So write these questions in your classwork. How does food get spoiled? The whole class can do this experiment together. So we can't do it now. So in your home you can do this experiment. Take a piece of bread or roti. Sprinkle a few drops of water on it and put it in a box. Close the box. See the bread or roti every day until you find some changes on it. See that bread in this picture like this. Make this table on a chart paper and put it up in the class and fill up the chart every day after discussing the changes seen. So, this experiment you can do by yourself. Take one bread piece or roti, keep it in your keep it in one box and sprinkle some water and close it that. Daily see that you can see the step by step the bacteria or fungus will you can observe that food item got spoiled. Okay students, we'll continue the lesson in next section. Read everything and write the questions. Thank you students.